Nice, Larry.
Rock and roll.
Hey, Lawrence.
Funny.
That's good.
Did you say whack and roll?
Whack and roll.
Not walk and roll.
Sweet smells in the air today, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Reminds me of a story. We were sitting out somewhere sometime, and we're sitting there going, "Damn, it'd be certainly nice to." And then all of a sudden, this guy walked up. It was an older gentleman. He was like, "Man, you guys look like you're high on drugs." And we're like, "Actually, no, we're low." So if that's a hint or anything, I got some 20s in my pocket. If anybody,
It's help musician day.
damn, I hate telling
We're
that
low on
story.
drugs.
I would love to get Doug Air up here to play bass. Would that be too much to ask?
I'll hold him up.
Do you feel like it, Doug? Is that too soon? My timing's not always all that good.
You gotta get his wheelchair up here, but everybody get a big hand for Doug. Hey, Doug there.
All right.
I think they're boosting.
Our second product is a 60 of Jamaican rum.
Oh, all right. And how much are they?
They're $5 3 for cash.
I give you my drum seat, Doug, but I'd have to stand.
Testify. One, two, change, 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 chain of fools. 5 on gigs, yeah. I thought I was your man. But I find out I'm just a link in the train. Yeah, yeah. You got me where you want me. I ain't nothing but a fool. You treated me evil. Oh, you treated me cruel. I'm wedded to your chain, 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 chain of fools. Every chain has got a weak link, yeah. I might be weak, oh, but you giving me strength. Come on, mama, tell me now. You tell me to leave you alone. My papa says, come on home. The doctor says, take it easy. But your loving is much too strong. I'm weighted to your chain, 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 chain of fools. That's awesome, Andy. chain is gonna break. But up until then, I'm taking all I can take. I'll chain, 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 chain of blue. Yeah, yeah. Chain, 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 chain. Take it home, boy. That's awesome. Beautiful. There's nothing like being able to make music out of thin air in someone's backyard. It's like,
Well, it's not really thin air. Smelling pretty thick
sorry,
right
just
now.
a little levity. A little bit.
I think so, yeah. Come on, Doug, get your hips into it.
No, not that one. Do the other one. No, the other sunshine, blue skies, please go away. My girl has found another, and she's gone away. With her and my future, my life was filled with gloom. You know, day after day, I sit here locked up in my room. I know to give you, it might sound strange, but I wish it would rain. Oh, it's badly. I wanna go outside. Everybody knows a man ain't supposed to cry. No, no, I've got to cry. 'Cause crying, yeah, eases my pain. Goes the word outside my dream. It's all used to explain. I wish it would rain. Yeah, 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 let it rain. How I wish that it would rain. Ooh, ooh. I wanna go outside. Everybody knows that a man ain't supposed to cry. I've got to cry again, 'cause crying, yeah, eases my pain. Yes, it does. To the world outside my tears, I refuse to explain. I wish it would rain. Yeah, yeah, let it rain. How I wish that it would rain. Ooh, how I wish that it would rain. Oh, how I wish that it would rain. Nice job on these guys. Really don't wish it would rain. It's not going to.
All right, Dougie.
Doug's awfully humble and stuff in his being. But as long as he's here later, we're going to get him up again.